Tom Garvey, the keto cook. Tom Garvey, the keto cook. Beef and butter, and don't forget those ribs.
Hello folks, how you doing? My name is Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. A company by the name of Out of Air sent me out all these vacuum seal bags to do a review on and give them a try and give my honest opinion about their product. Well, we're going to stop it right there because you know what? I'll never buy another brand. Okay, this stuff is phenomenal. Now, just the idea that they're puncture proof, basically. It's their 4 mil, which is a lot thicker than the previous ones bags that I've used. Also, they sent me out a new Food Saver vacuum sealer, and because it was perfect timing, because my other one quit. It just wasn't holding a vacuum on it, and it was horrible. And I was getting to the point where I didn't know what to do. This is a lifesaver for me because on my channel, all right, I do ketogenic diet lifestyle, what I call it, and this is exactly what I use more than any other product that's out there. Is everything I buy is fresh. I buy fresh vegetables. My meats that I buy, I break down, butcher myself, and vacuum seal them to put them away. The quality of this is just almost like refreshing from my mind. I don't have to worry about any kind of leakage, any kind of contamination. The food will last for a long, long time. Now, another product that they just come out with, I guess I haven't seen it any other places, but it is like a Ziploc bag. Okay, so as you can see on the top here, it has that little cut. All right, and then where you can cut this off, open up the little zipper part. The bottom is open. You can actually open up the bottom, put your product in here, put it into the vacuum sealer, and you're good to go. So if you open it, all right, and then you can just seal it back up again. What I do is I leave my vacuum sealer out so I can have access to it. So if I open this up, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to use this. I will open this up here, all right, and I will slice a little bit off the bottom and reseal it again until I use the product that I'm going to be putting in here. Now, what types of foods do I use? Now, I'm going to show you. Not everything gets frozen. I'll do fresh garlic. I buy garlic in bulk. I use a lot of garlic on my channel. Also, I use some carrots and celeries and stuff like that. So rather than leaving it in the crisper in my refrigerator or put it into a Ziploc bag with still air in it, here's what I'm going to use. This way I have access to it and I can reseal it, vacuum up again, and it will last longer. Here's another thing. These bags right here, you can I take broccoli and I'll blanch broccoli and then I will portion it out and vacuum seal them. Okay, now you have different ones here. You have 11 inch by 100 foot. You have 8 inch by 100 foot rolls. That's phenomenal. Great price also. It's got the cutter here and a small cutter on this one. They also sent me out another box, okay, of 6 inch by 10 inch. I didn't take them out of the plastic yet, and I'll do that when I go to use it. This is great for exactly what I'm talking about. For broccoli, portion control, stuff like that. Now you can use this for chicken, couple pieces of chicken breast, put it in there, seal them up, and put them in. Also, I have a couple rolls here. These are 2 each, 8 by 25 foot, and also 11 by 25 foot. All right, all the same quality. And I got a note. On the bottom here, you can write on exactly what it is. It has a white tab where you can write on. I got to tell you, I'm ecstatic about it because I'm so happy because now I can continue with what I'm doing. I don't have to worry about, especially with food prices right now, I don't have to worry about contamination. I don't have to worry about throwing something out, a poor quality bag gets a hole in it and all of a sudden air in it and destroyed. So all the work that I did preparing it is out down the tubes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little demonstration with this, but getting back to the broccoli. You can take these bags right here, okay, cut out what you want. Now we blanch it. I buy in bulk. I'll buy 5 to 10 pounds of broccoli at a clip, blanch it, and now what you can do is you can take the broccoli, season it the way you want, put a pat of butter into the bag itself with the broccoli already seasoned, and then you can use that in the microwave, and also you can use it in boiling water on the stove. Done. I mean, there it is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a couple little things how I'm using it, and I'll show you that in a minute. Now another good thing about the vacuum seal bags, especially the quality of these, all right, you can actually make a meal, portion it out, put it into the bag, put it in the freezer, okay? You got a busy night, or you're just getting home from work late, whatever, meals are done. There again, you can heat them up in boiling water, into the microwave. You can do separately, you can do your meat, vegetables, however you're doing it. It is so convenient. I mean, there it is. All right, let's get to the demonstration. Okay, quick little demonstration right here. Now this is the way we used to store our products or vegetables and stuff. So my wife would wash them, clip the tops, okay, and put paper towel around them, and then put them in to the crisper, okay. Not going to happen no more. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl it up a little bit without busting it. Okay. Stick them into the bag. Now I'm going to put my setting on dry. Open up the vacuum sealer. Push them down a little bit. And put them in here like this. And close it and it's amazing. Simple, amazing. Now, that light right there, okay, that's the seal. It heats up, and that's going to seal the top of that bag. It's almost done. When it's steady green light, guess what? This is sealed, and look at the tight fit on it. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna use the 8-inch bag. Okay. And what I did was I measured the carrots. I'm going to take the carrots out of the bag, and they're going to get sealed in here because you know what? I don't have a use for them coming up anytime soon. So rather than letting them sit there and get soft and soggy and who knows what, I'm going to seal them up, and they're going to stay in the refrigerator. Okay, so now most people would say, well, you're wasting the bag here. Well, every time I use it, okay, I'm going to cut it, open it up, take the carrots out, still be having carrots left, and I can bring it down till I use them all up. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this again. And if you can see, it has the dry mode, seal, and we're going to vacuum. Now, most other sealers right there, actually the one I had, when it got done vacuuming, getting the air out, and it would go into the seal mode, this thing would open, you could see a little bit of air getting back in it again. So it's quality products is what I'm talking about here. So what I just did there is I saved, that's a small bunch of carrots right there. Next time I go to shopping, I don't need to get carrots. I don't have to throw carrots away. That's my whole thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you a difference here. This is my old style bags that I've used, okay? As you can see, air in it. There's air in there. This is one I just sealed up, okay? No air. All right. Now, what's going to happen with this is garlic gives off a gas, all right? being that there's air pockets in here, or this thing just did not seal all the way, okay, it's going to blow up. It's going to look like a balloon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into another bag, reseal that, and save my food from going bad. This is what I'm talking about, saving money in the long run. Now, for what I paid for these bags, okay, were probably $10 to $15 more than the out of air bags. And just look at it. Okay, like I said, this is one I did a day or so ago. No air gaps in it. Quality. All right, so there we have it right there. I'm going to stick this in to the vacuum sealer. And close it down. It's on dry mode. Solid. Very solid. No breathe back on it. Junk quality. There you go, folks, right there. Doesn't get any better than that. I mean, there it is. Okay, now I'm going to be vacuum sealing some chicken legs that I got on sale. Great price, and I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a dozen chicken legs in here, so I'm going to do 6 each into a bag, and we'll seal these up. Okay, now I'm going to be using the 11 by 100 foot roll, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to show you just how easy this is done. I mean, I love it. And seal the end up. There again, this is so quick. I can't say enough about it, because you know what? This is a lifesaver for me in the long run, because I can buy in bulk. I have stuff in my freezer now. I now might have to take out of the old bags and put it into the new bags. And like I said, you can do that. All right. Okay, so what I do is I fold the bag back a little bit, gives it a better seal, and then I'm going to start putting it in the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to lay it down so I can... I have certain ways I do things, so... 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let me just wash my hands up, and we're going to seal this. Very simple, very easy to do. I can't say enough about it, I really can't. Set this, put it up into the tray, drop it down. Quack, quack. Now I'm going to put it on the moist one, because you know what, they are moist. Okay, I mean, there it is. Simple, simple, simple. Now, okay, I mean, here we have it. I just got done doing some jalapenos in the sealer. Okay, the carrots in the sealer. Onions, the garlic was the main thing, because I use a lot of garlic. I buy in bulk with that. And also the chicken. Now, the chicken will be the only thing that's going into the freezer. All right, and we have that portioned out, and like I said, we mark on the labeling. Well, you can mark on the labeler up here, when they have it in the white with a marker, any kind of marker, the date, and I keep the receipt with it, just in case there is any foods that are recalled, because these will be stored in our freezer for a while. And that's the great thing about this product right here. The vacuum sealer is phenomenal, really does a great job. Easy to do. I have peace of mind as far as I know my food is going to be fine. Okay, like I said, with broccoli or any kind of my green vegetables that I use, you can cook it ahead of time, put it into the sealer, let it cool, add your ingredients, what you want, any kind of spices, add your butter to it, put it in the freezer. All right, there it is. Now what I'll do with these right here is, this is the Ziploc bag. When I want to use these jalapenos, I'll open it up and I can take out whatever I want. And if I want to, I can recut the bottom here and reseal it again to keep them in there for a little bit longer time. This will preserve the food, not forever, but for a little bit longer shelf life in the refrigerator than normal. Same thing with the scallions that I have in here. I'll do the same process with them. So overall, great product, great deal. If you can see your way clear, check them out. They're on YouTube, also www.outofair.com. Check them out. Tell them Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook, sent you. Thank you, everybody.
Tom